Okay, in this clip I'm going to show you how to bring the entire Photoshop file into Flash. Okay, this time I'm going to go into File, Import, Import to Stage. I'm going to choose our Photoshop file. Okay, now from this window, we're going to select everything. Every group that we have. And what you want to do is, each group you want to go into them and choose each layer and select its options. Now in this Photoshop document I have, it is quite large and probably has 150 layers or so. Now if I wanted to, I could bring them in individually as groups. We're gonna do them all at once, but you would have to go through each and every layer. So right here we have a text layer. We wanted to bring it in as text. Of course we want to choose text. And a graphic layer, whether it's going to be flattened bitmap image or a bitmap image with editable layer styles. So once you have all your layers set the way you want to go down here and you want to click on Set Stage Size to same size as Photoshop Canvas. And you want to place layers at original position. We'll hit OK.